This is Taylor, Lauren, Sarah, and Lindsay being entertaining. Here they go. Oh, there goes a leg lift from Sarah. There's a nasty stare from Lauren. There's Taylor putting a cert in her mouth. And nothing from Lindsay.
Except sitting and looking pretty. Hello, lady.
I am now coming to do my interview. What do you think of your trip here at the mall? Oh gosh. What about you? And you? And you? That's it? That's all you have to say?
You're too critical.
What?
Too critical.
No way. Say that with meaning.
You're too critical. Did they ever clean out the money?
Oh, guys, look at the ceiling. Ah, the lights go out. I remember this being a lot more dramatic when I...
They're everywhere.
They are?
Like that.
Hello. Hello. Very nice. It's a video. Hello. Awesome.
Bright light city, gonna set my soul on fire. Got a whole lot of money that's ready to burn, so get those stakes up higher. There's 1,000 pretty women waiting out there. They're